We're in Northwood, adding a little soul to this garden. So the last week we've been basically doing our tiling on our planter. These tiles here are reclaimed from this section, which we've cut into coping stones, so it'll match the upper terrace and the step treads as we come down. The steps are nice and wide, safe, with 180mm risers, 400mm step treads, nice and safe, a lot safer than the previous ones. Also more inviting because of the width of them will invite you down into this space. We didn't have enough of these to clad the planter walls with during the reclaim, so we've gone with a slightly grey fascia, which we're also going to use on the step risers, partly to give it a little bit of a floaty feel with the white, but also to tie it into the other bits of grey in this glass pergola above, but also the pergola we're adding. This area will be full of planting, and a large water feature. This will create a nice little area around here with the gazebo down the bottom as a little seating area, and is adding a little bit of colour to softening off the edges. This week we're going to be getting the pergola up, finishing off the steps, and ideally starting this area with the planting and the water feature. Thank you.